Hello, welcome to the channel. The question here is move zeros. This is a easy question and a tricky question too. The question here is there is a given array. You just have to move all zeros to the end without disturbing the non-zero elements position. 1 is first, third comes second, and 12 comes after 3. So see this 1, 3, 12. After that, you just have to swap the numbers. You should not you should not increase the space complexity. You just have to swap the elements in a given array itself. You should not take any extra array or extra space. Yeah, we'll dive into the solution.
The question here is move zeros. This is the given array 0, 1, 0, 3, 12. The output should be 1, 3, 12 and 0, 0. In this concept, we just have to move zeros to the end and without using another array. You just have to swap in the given array itself. You should not use any extra space. Okay. For this, I will use a stack concept. I'll make use of stack. See, the basic logic is if we'll have to loop through each and every element in an array. If the given element, that is if the given element is I equal to array, yeah. If it is equal to 0, if it is equal to 0, then you just have to append to the stack, append that index to the stack. Just have to append index to the stack. The first element is 0, so I just have to append the index. 1 is 0 is the index. I'll append the stack with the index. Okay. What if I see non-zero element 1? If I see non-zero element, immediately I have to swap 1 with this 0. Okay. Simple. Swap. Indirectly I'll write simply swap of this element with this index element. I'll write the logic itself. Stack with array of I, yeah. With this array of ith element. Ith element with this element. Yeah. This is the Python syntax for swapping the elements. Okay. Now, after swapping these two, the array becomes 1, 0, 0, 3, 12. This will be the array. Now, after this swapping these two, this will become in this format. I'll have to remove this index from the stack. I'll have to remove this index from the stack. Stack dot remove 0th element. In this first position, I have to remove this element. After removing this, the 0 will come to this position. So indirectly, we have already swapped. The 0 will come to this position. So in this same else part, I have to add this index to this stack itself. See. Stack dot append I. This index I have to add. Indirectly, this index is 1. I'll add 1 here. Yeah. Yeah. 1 is in the stack. I've just appended this 0 position into the stack. Okay. Okay. Now after this, we'll traverse to this 0. And if you see 0, you have to append that index to the stack. This index is 2, 0, 1, 2. Append 2 to the stack. Okay. Whenever I see a non-zero element, what did I say? I just have to swap swap this element with the stack of 0th element, stack of 0th index. Stack of 0th index is 1. You have to swap array of 1, array of I. Array of I is nothing but 3. 3 with a stack of 0th element, stack of 0th index. This is the 1 index, as you can see here. This index with this index. Okay, if it will this both will swap, the output array will be for this path, the output will be 1 3 0 0 12. I have swapped 3 and this 0 and this 3. Again, what did I say? After this, I'll just have to remove the stack of 0th element. Indirectly, I'll have to remove 1 from the stack, 1 from the stack, and then I'll have to append this index to this index to the stack as well. This index is 2. This index is 2. Yeah, I'll have to add this to the 1 2. I'll have yeah, this index is 3. I'll have to add index to this 3. Yeah. After this, whenever you see again you will see a non-zero element 12. Whenever you see a non-zero element, you have to swap with the stack of 0th index element with this. Stack of 0th index is 2. 0 1 2. You have to swap these two. Okay, swap these two in this code, and then you have to remove the stack of 0th element. Indirectly, you have to remove the stack of 0th element. Yeah, we'll do this. Stack of 0th element, and the swapped array will look like 1 3 12 0 0. You have swapped these two. Okay, again at last you have to append this index, like 12th element index. 12th element index is 4. You have to append this 4. And you have to just return this no. After all completing the traversing each and every element, you just have to return this array. See, the output is same. 1 3 12 0 0. Without using any extra space or an extra array, you can in the same array, you just have to swap in this manner. We can use stack in this concept. Thank you.
Okay, as I said, we'll use stack in order to just store the 0 indexes. We'll make use of stack. Okay, and we'll check. This is the exception case. If length of if there is no elements in the num, I will just have to return empty. Okay, now we'll just loop through the array. Okay, yeah, if that element is equal to 0, just have to append index to the stack. Okay, elif if index is not equal to 0, like index is not equal to 0 and length of stack is also not equal to 0, I mean if you have some zeros in it, okay, if you have some zeros in it, then you just have to swap that element with the 0 element. Just have to nums of stack of 0 with that element, so stack of 0 with nums of I. I'll just copy. Okay, now I already replaced, so I'll remove the stack of 0 that index in the stack, and I'll add new index 0th index to the stack. Yeah, that's it. Now else don't do nothing. You can write no need of this actually. Let's see. Yeah, see, if I see 0, I'll just have to append this index to the stack, and if I see 1, I'll swap these both, and 0 0 will be there, and if I see another 0, I'll just have to swap with this 0 and 12 as well. This is the output. Let's try for this test case. Second test case. Yeah, as well as an empty as I written in the initial. Same thing. Yeah, there is no test case like this, no worries. Or if it is equal to 1, I'll just return nums. Okay, I'll run. Okay, let's try to submit. Okay, success. Yeah, thank you. Okay, this is my solution, and you can find multiple solution also. This is the solution.